Today I'm just going to be doing kind of a sit-down Procreate tutorial type video, but I'm only going to be using the eraser tool. I actually sat down to try and film like a different, more interesting video yesterday, but like the weather was so bad, there was so much thunder, so much lightning, hail, just like the audio would have been terrible, so I scrapped that. And so today I woke up and was like, I just want to have some me time. So yeah, I'm just gonna be kind of walking you through a like Procreate tutorial, but I'm only using the eraser tool for like a twist. So the reason that I am doing this video is because I feel like I use the eraser tool a lot more than just erasing in Procreate. I often will use it to like add textures and everything like that. So I kind of want to put those skills to a test and see if I can really draw like a full picture using just the eraser tool and like solid fill layers, if you know what I mean. Before we even get into it, if you haven't already, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button, and also consider leaving a thumbs up because that's what YouTube wants you to do. Alright, I'm just gonna get into it. I actually went through my Lightroom gallery and found this picture of a lily, and I went through and did kind of an outline just so I can follow with the eraser. I know that reference imaging is a little bit controversial. However, I took the picture, therefore I can reference image it. So I started with an all black background, and the reason that I did that is because there's white underneath it. So I'm just gonna kind of erase away the black to kind of create the highlights, shadows, and midtones of the flower that I'm doing. I think this is just gonna be in black and white, honestly, but we'll see. So this first petal I'm going in, and I'm actually going to go kind of first with just an outline, and then I'm gonna go in with the oil brush, but as the eraser tool, and just kind of go in and make it look a little bit more like natural and flowy, kind of like a flower petal, just not really. I think I took away a little bit too much. I wanted to kind of weave in some, I don't know, like little areas of shadow, but I just took away too much. But that's fine because it's the forward petal, so. So these next ones I went through, and definitely with the outline I took away a lot less, because when I'm going in with the oil brush, it's still taking away some. So these last ones in the background, I want to kind of make them a little bit less pronounced than the ones in the foreground to really add some depth. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to not use the oil brush. I'm actually going to use this brush, and this one kind of creates a little bit more of a smooth texture. So okay, so all of our petals are done. Now I just want to go in and add the little things in the middle. Also kind of like a stem too, just so it's not floating in space. So it's looking a little bit colorless, and so what I want to do is now make an interesting little twist, and I want to add color to this. I'm going to add just solid fill layers of color, and then I'm going to kind of erase away what I need and what I don't need, you know what I mean? now it's done. So here is my painting using only the eraser tool. This kind of shows you my techniques for what I do for using the eraser tool. If this wasn't like only something that I did in like 15 minutes, then you could probably do better. I could do better than this, but I really like it, and I think it's cool that I was able to do this using only the eraser tool, and it really shows you the capabilities of it in Procreate because it's very like advanced. You have like a bunch of different brushes in it and everything like that. And besides that, thank you so much for watching. I do hope that you liked the video. I know that this is a little bit kind of more laid back and it may seem last minute. I'm just kind of in a mood today. I'm like unstoppable when the sun comes out, but the second rain comes, I just completely fall apart. It's like my energy level is like a 1, but I still want to get something up. Art videos and stuff are always fun for me, and they kind of always put me in a better mood. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. If you didn't already, make sure to go down there and hit that like button, and also consider subscribing. I'll do more of these if these are interesting to people. I don't really know. It's hard for me to gauge audience interest, so I'm gonna go now and edit this. Bye!